Hiccups just won't let go? Try this quick fix. Plug your ears with your fingers and slowly sip water through a straw. Sounds weird, but it can reset your breathing rhythm and stop the spasm. Still hiccuping? Hold your breath for 10 to 15 seconds. Then exhale slowly. This helps balance carbon dioxide levels in your body. Another trick, gently pull your tongue forward. It may stimulate the vagus nerve and interrupt the hiccup cycle. You can also try swallowing a teaspoon of sugar or honey. The texture can trigger a reflex that helps stop the hiccups. And don't forget posture. Sit upright, relax your shoulders, and take slow, controlled breaths. Hiccups are annoying, but usually harmless. With these simple tricks, you've got a few ways to kick them out fast. Good luck to you, and don't forget to subscribe and like!